Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about prismatic effects and its correction. The definition is, normally eyeglasses are fitted with the optical center of the lens directly in front of the eye. If the lens is fit off center means the pupillary center and the spectacle center is not same. Image displacement can occur due to induced prism. The higher the power or the further the lens is fit off center, thus higher is the induced prismatic effect. Induced prism, to better understand why there is induced prism, the cross section of a plus lens can be linked to two prism base to base, as the lens is thicker in the middle part and thinner at the edge. It means peripheral part of the lens. Likewise, a minus lens can be linked to two prism apex to apex. Here thinner in the middle part and thicker at the edge, peripheral part of the lens. Next, this induced prism can actually be used to the advantage of the lab when prism is called for in a prescription. If the lens power is sufficient to induce the prescribed prism, the lens can simply be cut off center to achieve the required result. This is known as prism by decentration. If the prism is insufficient, however, the prism must be cut into the surface of the lens. Here, a prismatic effect is obtained at the center of an optical lens by producing a difference in peripheral thickness, either by grinding the back surface at an angle to the front surface during lens surfacing, or if the lens has sufficient power, decentrate the optical center of the lens. Induced prism means we will add extra prism for correction the deviated eye. If the lens power is sufficient or we are able to cut the lens, we will cut the off center to achieve the required result. Our main motto is, we are treat the deviated eye is moved towards the center of the eye by induced prism. Next, correction. For deviated eye correction, we need Prentice rule. Prismatic power of a lens is prism diopter at any point of its surface is equal to the distance from optical center in centimeter. Uses: it is used to determine amount of prescribed prism in lenses by decentration. It is used to determine either unprescribed prism present in lenses by decentration. Here we will determine the amount of prism by this Prentice rule. The formula of Prentice rule is P equal to Cf, where P is amount of prism correction in prism diopter, C is decentration. Decentration means the distance between the center of pupil and the lens optical center in millimeter. F means lens power, spectacle power in diopter. Example, after refraction, an optometrist finds a eyeglass prescription power that is minus 5.50 diopter in both eyes. However, a student misreads the pupillary distance. Misreads pupillary distance means wrongly measure the PD, pupillary distance, and the patient's eye is decentrated 2 millimeter nasally. The eye is decentrated towards the nose. The amount is 2 millimeter in both eyes. So, we find out number 1, what is the resulting induced prism according to Prentice rule. Number 2, what is induced prism if the eyeglass prescription is changed to plus 5.50 diopter in right eye. Next, number 1, the given power is minus 5.50 diopter. Decentrated amount is 2 millimeter. We will convert it to centimeter. So, 2 millimeter divided by 10 equal to 0.2 centimeter. So, this is the diagram, this is the center of eye and this is the deviated eye towards the nose, that is 2 millimeter amount. This is the center and this is the deviated eye, 2 millimeter deviated. So, we know the Prentice rule is P equal to CF. So, C is 0.02 centimeter into 5.50. This is spectacle power. So, after calculating we found 1.1 prism diopter. So, right eye basin prism and left eye basin prism we need. Because of minus 5.50 diopter is concave power, the prism position is apex to apex. This one apex to apex. This one apex of the prism, this one apex to the prism. Because of apex in prism in center, we add 2 prism, that is 1.1 prism diopter plus 1.1 prism diopter, that is 2.2 prism diopter base in. And number 2, because of convex power plus 5.50 diopter, we will subtract 2 prism, that is 1.1 prism diopter minus 1.1 prism diopter, that is 0. It means 0 prism decentrated. Thank you.